Only one working? What's going on? This looks well good.
Like a little Swiss ballet cake, isn't it?
Oh, can I get a penny press? No. Zooming in does not work. Purple and red. They got a cute t-shirt in one of the shops.
Turn left, we're in the first lane, sit patios 8 and 9. Oh, there's a quickly down there. Nice little spot.
Ah. What have they got? Yeah. Oh, look at that wave pool.
Look at that.
Yeah, I know. There's only one ride I don't think I'll go on if we can get on everything else. Come and look at the other ones that I looked at. Aren't they cute?
Yeah. Yeah, what's he?
They're $7.95.
Oh, is he a bottle opener thingy?
No, it's a magnet.
Oh, I love Olaf. I'm going to have to get an Olaffy something, but I haven't decided
Olaffy
what one.
something.
Yeah, an Olaffy something. Or
Aren't these cute?
not flip-flops that you wanted then.
No. Yeah.
This side.
I could. While I'm... Oh, look. Caution. Low flying alligator.
Yeah, through there, what a hell of a lick.
Right. Are we waiting for Leslie still?
Yeah.
Oh, look. There's even a thing in the snow where he came down on his skis. Oh, it's Elsa's castle.
We didn't go around to the kiddie bit, it looked really good. Look at that. Oh, that's the winter one, I think, isn't it? That's the winter
You reckon?
golf. Yeah,
Oh, that's the winter golf that we've got
Summerland.
included. But we have to do it before 4 p.m.
Which we're never going to do.